as us as their enemies. In our government, when we organized 2 OICs, in the first OIC, I remember when I was sitting in that place, when the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Imran Khan, and I want to say this on record, that each and every Prime Minister of Pakistan, may that be Imran Khan or anybody else, or any president, they had supported the Palestine cause. Imran Khan said that, when the whole Muslim Ummah was listening, he said that let's make an Islamic bloc to fight the cause of Palestine and Israel, and Palestine and Kashmir against Israel. And when he said that, I said to myself, now they will not leave him. Because any Muslim leader who will talk about pan-Islamism, may that be Bhutto, may that be Imran Khan, may that be Qaddafi or whoever, or Shah Faisal, whoever has said that, they have made sure that he does not remain the helm of power. So in the end, I would like to say, and I would request all of the Pakistanis that please, on this issue, please get united. Nobody should say that, look, this is happening in this place in Pakistan, look, this is happening in that place. Why are you talking about Kashmir? Why are you talking about Palestine? This is a normal thing which is being said. Anybody who talks about Palestine, who talks about Kashmir, is being told, look at Fatah, look at Balochistan, look at Interior-Sin, look at this and look at that. Yes, that has something which we have to look in. But when you talk about Palestine, when you talk about Kashmir, the voice should be one. And the voice is, long live Palestine, long live Palestine. Palestine will be free. Allah's help will come. Inshallah. وَلَنْ تَرْضَ عَنْكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَا النَّصَارَى حَتَّى تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُمْ قُلْ إِنَّ هُدَى اللَّهِ هُوَ الْهُدَى وَلَئِنِ اتَّبَعْتَ أَهْوَاءَهُمْ بَعْدَ الَّذِي جَاءَكَ مِنَ الْعِلْمِ مَا لَكَ مِنَ اللَّهِ اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. میری تو خواہش ہوتی کہ آج ہمارا ایوان بھرا ہوا ہوتا، لیکن تنقید نہیں کرنا چاہتا. میں درخواست کروں گا حکومت وقت سے کہ یہ معاملہ سیاسی نہیں ہے، تو اس پہ اگر مناسب سمجھتے ہیں تو ایک پھر جوائنٹ سیشن آپ ضرور کروائیے جس میں وزیر اعظم صاحب بھی ہوں، چاہے ہم ان کو مانیں یا نہ مانیں، لیکن وہ اس عہدے پہ ہیں تو ان کی ایک ذمہ داری بنتی ہے. اس میں بلاول صاحب بھی تشریف لائیں، فضل الرحمان صاحب بھی ہوں اور ہم لوگ بھی ہوں گے. جوائنٹ سیشن ہو. آج میرے ایک فاضل دوست نے ایک گفتگو کی، میں اس پہ صرف ایک شعر کہہ کے آگے بڑھنا چاہوں گا کہ دلیل تھی نہ کوئی حوالہ تھا ان کے پاس، عجیب لوگ تھے بس اختلاف رکھتے تھے. جو ادھر مر رہے ہیں، جو شہید ہو رہے ہیں، ہمارے بچے ہیں، اپنی لڑائی کسی اور دن لڑ لیں گے. میں آج جناب ڈپٹی اسپیکر صاحب چاہتا ہوں کہ میں کچھ باتیں ان کو کہوں جو وہاں شہید ہو رہے ہیں اور ان کو بھی کہوں جو یہ کر رہے ہیں. اور اس پہ میرا یقین ہے کہ جو مسلمان ہے اس کا دل غزہ کے شہیدوں کے ساتھ دھڑکتا ہے. Pakistan came into being in 1947, and I, Ali Muhammad, I'm a member of parliament and I'm speaking here on the floor of the House in the National Assembly of Islamic Republic of Pakistan on behalf of 250 million people and the Parliament of Pakistan. I want to assure our children, our sisters, our mothers, our brothers and our elders living in Gaza and Palestine that you are not alone. Yes, we have our own compulsions. Maybe we can't help you the way you want us to be helped. But believe you me, from the founder of the nation, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, to the children in Pakistan who have not yet even born, I assure you, you are not alone. Our heart ache, it bleeds with you when we see and when we saw on the sacred soil of Palestine, when we saw the human bodies getting shattered and raised to the sky under the bombing of the atrocious and fascist Israel, being backed by United States. There's not a single human being in Pakistan, and I'm sure not only in Muslim Ummah, but every human being who believe in humanity, May that person be living in New York, may that person be living in London, in European continent, in African peninsula, or may that human being be living in the atrocious and fascist state of Israel. If that person believes in humanity, my heart says that that person will never support, they will never condone what is happening in Gaza. It's not an issue of Muslims only, it's an issue of human rights. All along in the history of mankind, it is an unwritten law that never ever, the attacking forces, they never attack the elderly, they never attack the women, they never attack the trees, they never attack the hospitals. But rape has been used as a weapon of war in Gaza and Palestine. Those innocent women and little girls who took refuge in the hospitals in Gaza, the atrocious forces of Israel, they went and they raped and maimed those children, those girls and mothers and sisters of ours in hospitals. Never ever has somebody done that, what Israel is doing. My question to humanity is Israel doing this on its own, or is it being backed by in the unipolar world by US?
United Nations.
To the Muslim Ummah, I want to tell you, that's not me, Ali Muhammad, speaking in the National Assembly of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, whose founder Muhammad Ali Jinnah had said 75 years ago that Israel is the illegitimate child of West. We will not accept Israel, we will never accept Israel, we will only accept that solution which is acceptable to the people of Palestine and the people of Gaza. The living hearts of the Muslims in Pakistan, in all Muslim Ummah, they stand with Hassan Nasrallah, they stand with Ismail Hania, they stand with Yasser Arafat, they stand with Yahya Sinwar, and all those people who have fought till their death, they'll never let their arms. But never ever have the history seen pictures where a young boy or a young girl is having her little boy or his little brother in their laps with their whole families getting killed. These are the pictures. I am afraid if this is not addressed, this curse will take the whole world into its fold. How is it possible that the divine powers, how is it possible that the divine powers will not take action on this? Which religion allows this? Does Torah allow this? Is it the teaching of Hazrat Musa alayhi salam or Hazrat Sulaiman alayhi salam, whom you call Solomon or Moses? Is this the teaching of Bible? No, never ever did Isa alayhi salam or Jesus Christ, as you say, never ever have they preached, and never even in the history of crusades, when the Muslims and the Christians fought, never has this been repeated. For the first time in the history, we have seen new heights of genocide and killings. My brothers and sisters in Pakistan, I want to tell you, please go and check in the history what Israel and their leaders think about us and what are we doing. In 1969 in Paris' Sorbonne University, the first Prime Minister of Israel, David Ben-Gurion, he went and he addressed Zionists. I as a minister had said this once on that side of the aisles, that David Ben-Gurion, when he was addressing the Zionists and what is happening, I'm sure this is not a teaching of Judaism, this is something which is the teaching of Zionists. Okay. He said that Pakistan is our natural foe, that Pakistan is an ideological answer to Israel. This is what David Ben-Gurion had said, and he said that, final 2 minutes, please. And he said that a natural ally for the Israel against Pakistan is India, when he said that India was divided into two and then Pakistan came into being. So they are the natural allies, and history will speak, and you will know it, that once, not even once, but on more than one occasions, Israel, with the support of the Indians, they had tried to destroy the nukes of Pakistan, but Alhamdulillah, Pakistan had been able to defend.
शुक्रिया जी, बैरिस्टर गौहर साहब जी। मैं बहुत आपको रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप